Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, April 10th. It's common to tighten around our discomfort. We all tense the body when we're struggling, trying to rid ourselves of the unpleasantness. But what if instead of tightening, you can make room for the pain, welcoming it in and meeting it with a caring presence? You have the power to retrain the mind. This helps you build a non-reactive awareness. Rather than being controlled by every challenging situation, you can suddenly notice it, allow it to be present, and move forward. So let's see how it works in a little practice now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your breath to be nice and soft and completely natural. Just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Now take a moment to pay attention to the painful emotion you are experiencing. Try not to fall into the storyline, but simply recognize how the mind and body feel right now. Ask if it is sadness, fear, frustration, or disappointment. Just notice the general tone of the experience you're feeling. And begin making space for the emotion by offering a few phrases of compassion. Remember your intention to care for the pain rather than to push it away. Offer these phrases to the pain or difficulty. You're welcome here. There is space for you. May I welcome you with compassion. You are welcome here. There is space for you. May I welcome you with compassion. Of course, you can choose your own phrase, as always. I'll give you about a minute to connect with your experience. Now return to the breath. With each exhale, soften the body. Let the shoulders drop down. Allow the jaw to relax. Soften the belly. And above all, remember that you are spacious enough to hold everything, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. See how it works for you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.